Hello my dear friends, welcome back to our daily forex trading forecasts. Today I'm glad to see you again. We have two parts of our review. The first part is a prompt fundamental analysis, and the second one is the technical pictures of some major pairs. Please, if the sound and picture are normal, put your plus in our chat. And shall we begin? Oh, my dear Russian friends, Alexei, добрый день. Okay, I'm return to our chat in 2 minutes. First, a few words about current situation on market. We see that the dollar lose his positions, and mostly major pairs strength against the dollar, euro, pound, New Zealand dollar, etc. What are factors? I see some major factors of these dollar weaknesses. The first one is a social crisis. We can see city strikes on streets of American towns and cities. We see America-China conflict, which is dedicated on Hong Kong region. Of course, the highest unemployment is the most this is a weakness of dollar. It's pain, like a max pain of dollar, because Jerome Powell and Steven Mnuchin mentioned that the unemployment will probably occur if some measures won't adopted in a near future. But American government can't take the people and put them on their jobs, because the quarantine, because the pandemic, coronavirus is still alive, and people afraid to go to work, and this is a big problem. It's a big problem. So let's count once again: social crisis, social strikes, the first factor; United States-China conflict, the second one; the unemployment, third; and lifting quarantine, another one. And we must not to forget that American government and Federal Reserve System adopted the QE program, unlimited QE program. So every day we see printing of dollars. So this is This is a bigger factor for the dollar because this currency has unlimited amount, and the goal of this QE program is to go to decrease the dollar. There are a lot of factors to put dollar down. So the fundamental factors are not on the dollar side. As for technical factors, we see them on our MetaTrader platform. I now launch our MetaTrader and launch our platform.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Okay. This one. Good morning. No, уже good afternoon. No. Okay. Technical analysis. So we can check our results from the morning analysis. One second. Launch our contact group where I upload all my forecasts in the wall of the group. Here we are. One second. So we have 4 pairs for today: euro, dollar, pound, Japanese yen, and gold. The first one is euro dollar. In the morning we see the following picture. We are close to balance line. Balance line was 1.1128. So we have 2 patterns, 2 ways for our euro dollar. Some correction to a trend line and continuing the path to the north. Okay, the main goal was 1.1176 and the bonus 1.1212. So now we see that the first goal was completed, and the second one is close to a price. Now what we shall do, 1 minute, two. Hop. I adopt some level to current places. Okay. And now we see that the price is on his way to a north. For further movement, I'm waiting for some correction, at least to this channel, to the top of this channel, and after this continuing his way to the bonus goal, to the bonus price. But we can waiting for a more correction to the balance line, and from here, if they see a 1 2 3 pattern, we shall see the buy signal from here. If we talk about the most powerful correction, some factors will be completed. The first signal is the breakout this bullish channel, something like this. Now from this retest this channel from bottom to the top, and I continue the bearish movement and formatting the bearish channel like this one. Okay, but the main condition is to break out this bullish channel and formatting the bearish channel too. Up to these levels, the main trend is bullish, is upward. So we are waiting for further signals and make our decision. Friends, I upload this forecast to our message. Okay. Yes. And the second pair is Great Pound against dollar. Yeah, one moment. I close all my trades in Great Pound against dollar in this level. I buy from this channel, from the bottom of this channel, and hold these positions up to yesterday. Now the movement is continue. The balance line and the volume of option contracts is concentrated on this level, 1.2494. The main goal, the main target for today was 1.26, the beginning of this 26 figure, and the second one, where is the second? 1 minute. I'm sorry. The first target was completed. The first target from a morning forecast was 1.2554. It's the further goal. It's a further goal for today. Something like bonus for our deposit. As for further target, it will be 1.26666. Okay. We see that the trade channel is bullish, and some acceleration occurred from this point. Now the price accelerated in the border of this channel, and the second acceleration, it tells us that bullish army is very strong. There is no reversal pattern on 1 hour time frame. I don't see anything reversal. So the aggressive buys might be here if we see 1 to 3 pattern to the upward, bullish bias. But the most interesting signal for our buy positions, it will be here. On the trend line, on this top trend line from this channel. If say about some good correction, I'm waiting first for a fundamental factor, maybe some news in calendar, some good news for dollars. Friends, I forgot to say about the beginning negotiations Eurozone with Great Britain about further trade trade agreement. There were two phases of these meetings. The first and the second one didn't bring anything to close the positions of Euro Union and Great Britain, but this meeting is the last one. If they want to make some agreements, they have to do their best. And now I'm monitoring the Twitter of Euro Union about some news about this meeting, about these negotiations. It is the most important factor for euro dollar, for Great Britain, a pound against dollar, so we have to put it in mind. Don't forget it about it. As for technical factors for good downward correction, we must see some movement like this. Is break down this channel, this bullish channel, rebound from bottom to top, and movement to this level, 1.2407. Okay, here we are. This is the link to our forecasts. I bring it to our chart, so you are welcome to see. There are some questions from our Russian friends. I answer them in Russian language. Друзья, это возможность расширения нашего проекта, как бы выход на международный уровень. Посмотрим, что из этого выйдет. Ну, плюс, поскольку я в свое время заканчивал Восточный факультет СПбГУ, учили английский, французский, арабский языки, хоть какая-то практика хотя бы английского пусть будет. По большей части здесь я провожу анализ технический, рисую стрелочки. В принципе, там по стрелочкам все и так понятно. Английский комментарий, это если вдруг в будущем нас будут смотреть английские коллеги. Ну и какая-то практика для меня лично языка, так что, пожалуйста, не смущайтесь. Это не для того, чтобы, не знаю, там как-то по-русски выпендриться. Окей. Thank you, Alexei. Voice is good, the picture too. And you are very good listener. Алексей, нет, испанский не учил. Вот единственное, какие-то слова, потому что с французского встречается, это все одна группа языков, но испанский не знаю. Okay, we are continuing. Two pairs are left. This is Japanese yen and gold. The first one is Japanese yen. Japanese yen, we opened positions with my colleague Roman to break down this triangle. But in other account, I try to launch to show you. It's our morning idea to open buy position after finishing this bearish correction and continuing the bullish trend. The other factor, the other condition was that the balance line was above of the price, and the and our goal, Al Pari, where are you now? Okay, I put this print screen in our chat 5 minutes later after our webinar, because some problem with MetaTrader Alpari. I'm sorry. I'll see the goal. See the goal. 1 minute, my friend. 1 minute, my friend. I arranged this print screen from my mobile in our Telegram chat. So friends, you are welcome. The link to this chat is under the webinar, in the description of this webinar. So you are highly welcomed. Okay, this one, the take profit, will be on this level, it's necessary to switch on daily's time frame. Okay, this one. 109.17. This is the goal for our position. Because the other goals, the other targets was completed at this moment. The first one and the second one. So in Japanese, in this pair we see acceleration, very powerful acceleration of the price. Now we must wait for correction, for some correction, to find out the other signal for buy position. Wait. we draw up this channel, and so some movement like this is interesting for buy positions. Maybe it will generate some additional channel, the acceleration channel, and the main goal for our position, this one, the beginning of 109 figure. Maybe the correction will be much longer. Just longer. Okay. Something like this. The interesting level for buy positions, besides this one, 108.07. If they see a 1 to 3 pattern from here, it's a buy signal, and the goal. Oh no! Oh my mother of God! Up, up, something like this. Okay. Oh, Mark. Hello, my friend. It's my big friend. Mark is a professional of Elliott's analysis, waves of Elliott. I'm always see and examine your forecasts and recommended you to do it. For this, you can join to Mark group. 1 second, I find the link. Here we are. Okay, so you are welcome too. And the last one, the last pair for today is a gold against American dollar. In the morning forecast, we draw this line, this correction line. Now we see a break down this line, so generated some bullish signal, for gold. The main goal, the closest goal, will be 70.63. The borders of order channel changed a little bit. We see if in morning they were here, now they move up a little bit. It is signal for bullish pattern. I try to imagine this path in our graph. So up to this balance line moved to but there is some reason to think about buying this pair, because I see some great amount of option contracts above the price, about 4,600 contracts. This level is quite strong, so we must put it in mind. The level will be the psychological level 70-50, because there is several nulls in this level. It's a psychological level. So for the further movement, we must break down this level. Oh, very long walk, very long level. So the nearest target is quite close to the price, something like this. It is the question what the price should do after it move close to this level. There is two scenarios for the bearish trade. If they see the breakdown this structure, this bullish structure, and 1 to 3 pattern from this level, maybe some correction will begin. But if they see this level corruption and rebound from top to bottom, the great goal will open. Our target will be 17.71. Okay. So now we see that the price is between balance line, maybe some some flat movement will continue, but the price has to choose what a path, or the path is more reliable for the movement to the north or to the south. There is some signal for bullish position, is a breakdown this correction line, but the first target is very close to a price. The most important struggle will be on this level, 70.50. Okay. As for bearish trade, I'll see this level. It's quite about 70 to 89 or 28. This is local level, but it is, and if the bearish scenario will be activated, we can see this goal for bearish position. But now there is only one signal without any confirmation for position to buy, because we see this breakdown of a correction line, or a correction trend line. So we are waiting for the further movement to make our decision. I upload the last print screen to our message, to our group's wall, and my dear friends, thank you very much for watching me. I hope we can meet every day about 5 or 4 p.m. by Moscow time, and see some signals for the American session in Forex market. Okay, now a chart. I don't see any other message, so I wish you good trades, good positions. Try not to open positions just for trading, just for being market. Before you open your position, ask yourself, where is my stop loss? How close is it to the price? Where I put my take profit? The important ratio between take profit and stop loss is 4 or 3 against 1. It means that the take profit must be bigger when stop loss, minimum in 3 times. It allow you to have good math for your trading, for your statistic. I wish you a good statistic, good trades, save your head cool. Save your head cool. And don't risk for nothing. Okay. Thank you very much once again. My name is Oleg Kalmanovich. I'm glad to see you tomorrow, something in this time, to make new forecasts in Forex market and find out some interesting ideas for our trading, for our positions. Goodbye.